In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Social Media Planner template in Notion. To get started, open Notion and sign into your account. Once you're in, head over to the sidebar and create a new page. This is where you'll add the planner template to your workspace so you can start organizing your content in one place. After creating the page, use the template search bar and type in social. This will help you quickly find the right option without scrolling through lots of templates. From the search results, select Social Media Planner. Then press Enter, or simply click the template to add it to your workspace. Give it a moment to load completely. Once the planner opens, you'll be able to explore the layout and see how everything is organized. A good place to begin is the calendar view. This view is especially useful because it lets you see your scheduled content by date, making it easier to plan ahead and spot gaps in your posting schedule. Next, take a look at the additional views available in the template. Switch between All Posts and By Status to understand how your content is grouped. The All Posts view gives you a full list of everything in your planner, while the By Status view helps you track where each post is in your workflow. This can be really helpful when you're managing drafts, scheduled content, or anything that still needs review. When you're ready to add content, click New in the top right corner. A new post entry will open, and this is where you can enter your content details. Start by adding a title, then fill in the rest of the information included in the template. The more consistently you fill this out, the easier it will be to stay organized over time. After that, set a publish date for the post. This step is important because it places the content on your calendar, giving you a clear visual schedule of what's coming up. Once your content moves through your process, remember to update the post status. Keeping statuses current makes it much easier to track progress and understand what's ready to publish. From there, continue adding more content as needed. You can keep creating and scheduling posts so your planner becomes a complete content hub. As your calendar fills up, use it regularly to review upcoming content and manage your schedule more effectively. That's how to use the Social Media Planner template in Notion. Thanks for watching.